How's it going, guys? King Cadillac, and today we are at the Chelsea Heights Hotel KingPin Kuztums Rockabilly car show. So without further ado, let's get into the classics. Very nice old Buick, old GMC Ute. Old Impala. Mates RT Challenger. Gorgeous Cadillac. Wave to the camera, John. Quickly dart over here, show you these ones. Some of these are absolutely stunning.
Put them in good places, mate.
As much as I can. This one. There you go, guys. Check out this one that's coming in. Here's our awesome host for the day, Rob. He's gone all camera shy. Absolutely gorgeous T-bird. Pontiac Le Mans coupe, very nice. Love it. Every time I see this thing, I love it. Gorgeous body lines. Buick. Very nice Tirana. There we go, we got quite an unusual car coming in. I've never seen one of these before. There you go. No, it's a bit of a distant shot, but do apologise about the noise. You've got generators and everything going, but it's what you have to deal with when you do shows. And that is the KingPin Kuztums car show. We will see you all next time.